Sakalayan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Katurbuj, the four-armed one, or the personality of Godhead, after hearing the words of Bhim, Draupadi and others, saw the face of his dear friend Arjun, and he began to speak as if smiling. Lord Sri Krishna had 2 arms, and why he is designated as four-armed is explained by Sridhar Swami. Both Bhima and Draupadi held opposite views about killing Ashvathama. Bhima wanted him to be immediately killed, whereas Draupadi wanted to save him. We can imagine Bhim ready to kill while Draupadi is obstructing him. And in order to prevent both of them, the Lord discovered another 2 arms. Originally, the primeval Lord Sri Krishna displays only 2 arms, but in his Narayan feature he exhibits 4. In his Narayan feature, he resides with his devotees in the Vaikuntha planets, while in his original Sri Krishna feature, he resides in the Krishnalok planet far, far above the Vaikuntha planets in the spiritual sky. Therefore, if Sri Krishna is called Katurbuja, there is no contradiction. If need be, he can display hundreds of arms, as he exhibited in his Vishvarupa shown to Arjun. Therefore, one who can display hundreds and thousands of arms can also manifest 4 whenever needed. When Arjun was perplexed about what to do with Ashvathama, Lord Sri Krishna, as the very dear friend of Arjun, voluntarily took up the matter just to make a solution. And he was smiling also,